The worldwide instructional design system brings you the latest web-based technology for curriculum management and design. Remember days past where curriculum projects became paper trail nightmares? We knew there had to be a better solution. And since 1992, we've promoted a quality design process. WIDS goes beyond desktop instructional design to a complete system for organizational design, management, and dissemination of curriculum, all at your fingertips. The WIDS curriculum management solution allows you to design quality performance-based programs, courses, and design curriculum maps. Implement external standards or college-wide outcomes consistently across your organization. Design rubrics, outcome assessment plans, and use our built-in workflow and approval process. Our philosophy has always been about performance-based learning. Here are some of the qualities we believe learning design should include. For instructors, design courses, programs, your maps. For those of you in the management or overseeing larger projects, set up a workflow process, approve curriculum, build and design program assessment rubrics, improvement plans. 3 design modules make up our application. The first is the organization. Specify program outcomes and performance standards, as well as course competencies and performance standards. Design rubrics at the program and course level. Come up with an assessment plan and analyze that. WIDS reports in PDF, HTML, Word. Build a comprehensive outcome assessment plan to show what you're doing to meet quality objectives in your program. Now let's look at how you navigate and move around within the WIDS application. A web-based application, WIDS is branded to your organization and personalized to your role. Users interact with data only as permitted, creating a balance between organizational needs and organic design. Find projects on your project listing or using Site Explorer. Each user has a unique username and password. Click on programs or courses that are set up in a structure predefined by your organization. For those of you who are site administrators, you'll access the site as permitted, where you can customize lookups, upload users, determine roles, and populate your external standard library. All of this means you can customize the site to best meet your needs. Our tab navigation is intuitive. Each project lands on an Outcome Summary tab. With 4 Design tabs and a Project Management tab, you can also navigate within each tab with the blue interior tabs. Editing is as permitted. If you are an instructor and have that role, for example, you will not be able to edit the official course competency list. But you can edit your syllabus and design learning plans and assessment tasks. Here's an example of the edit screen. In the top right, you place the page into edit. On any screen where you see that, you are able to add, edit, delete, import, always save, or save and close. The WYSIWYG editor gives you many editing capabilities to your text, including hot links. Now let's look at project management within WIDS. You can manage projects at the organization, program, and course level. You are able to customize your roles, determine what you want to call those roles, and who will be assigned to each project. For example, you might have a curriculum committee who just wants to review a work in progress. They may be placed into that role at any time. The approval request system is built in. For any project, request an approval. On a work in progress, write a review about the proposed change. It's recorded and archived. You never have to wonder who wrote that review and when. The review notifications are sent automatically, also by email. They are archived along with that project. And then for a manager, it comes time for approval. You can approve or deny, look at the item under review, what a proposed future date might be, and read all of the compiled reviews. Get a snapshot of the development history at any time. Now let's look more closely at the 3 design areas within WIDS, starting with the organization. As items are updated, active curriculum always remains intact as you determine the rollout of future edits. Access the organization through your home page if you're given that permission. Here is where you set those college-wide outcomes such as core abilities and their performance standards. At any given time, you can see the status if they're active or a work in progress. You can assess core abilities using a consistent instrument based on expected core abilities and their performance standards. Push out this tool to courses or programs or instructors, so upon sign-in, it's readily available for them to use. For organizational outcome assessment planning, this is where you set your target quality objectives for your organization and build a plan for assessment. Record the results and interventions, and archive for program improvement purposes. The second design module is the program design module. Access a program from your landing page by just clicking on the link or use Site Explorer. The same thing with course. It might show up on your project list or navigate to Site Explorer to find any course within your organization. That's where you develop your syllabus, your learning plans, and assessment tasks. All of these features are available now within the web-based system. Our experts are ready to take you on this journey. We assist you in the implementation and customize workshops to meet your needs. We have over a century of combined experience in facilitation and development. We've been designing workshops for educators for over 16 years. With WIDS, there's 1 on-site day required for site setup, and we recommend a minimum of 2 days. That might include project management or some of the other workshops you see here.